coffee with milk without sugar, guys. I think I'm done with this because it's too salty. Don't eat like, you cannot eat like a lot of it. It's too salty. It's just an appetizer. So, marami tayong meron pa tayong natira, guys, na egg, bread. So, we're not going to eat this bread. Labna. Halawa. This one also is too fattening, guys. Parang peanut butter, guys, pero ang ginamit nila ay sesame seeds. Yun ang parang peanut butter nila, guys. Halawa. So we're not going to eat a lot of it. Okay, we'll eat labna, little of labna. We'll just make exercise later to burn the fats that we eat. Okay, I'm going to use the other bread, the normal Arabic flatbread, Hobbs. Lagyan natin ng labna. We will add labna to the bread. And then, the egg. Mag-exercise na lang tayo mamaya, guys. Para ma-burn. I love all this food, guys, but I just control myself not to eat a lot. So I won't get too fat. So that's all for today's video. I'll see you again tomorrow. Please like, share, and subscribe, guys. The All About Food channel and hacks and food. And sometimes our comedic side, and sometimes comedy. So you won't get bored. So that's all for today's video. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye. Share. Here, I put inside of... Wait. I'll just close the... Can you press the... Oh, wait.